Standard administrative work feels like a constant stream of manual data entry. We'll replace that repetition with connected digital nodes handling the transfer for you. In 5 minutes, you will build an automated system that functions as a 24/7 background worker, allowing you to move away from manual processing. This workflow will monitor your inbox, extract specific data from new emails, and log it into a spreadsheet. To get started, you need an active email account, a spreadsheet application, and a free account on an automation platform. Having these tools is the first step toward building systems that operate while you sleep. Now that the tools are ready, we can begin the practical setup. The modern workspace relies on making separate applications communicate with each other. Your automation platform serves as the central hub for this communication, managing the flow of data between your inbox and your database. We will focus on one specific task: identifying incoming invoices, extracting the key details, logging them into a central record. Currently, this information is trapped in a cluttered inbox, requiring you to manually copy it into a blank spreadsheet. Mapping out this specific manual bottleneck is necessary before we can program the system to eliminate it. Log into your automation hub and select the option to start a new blank workflow. First, we set the trigger to watch your account and only act on emails containing the word invoice. Your provider will request authentication. Resolve this by following the prompt, granting the hub permission to access your messages. Now, run a test. The system will look for a recent email that fits your criteria to confirm the connection is active. Completing this authentication ensures the system is aware of incoming data, so no invoices go unnoticed. Next, we define the action. This tells the system to create a new row in your spreadsheet every time the trigger is met. You must now map the data. Direct the email subject into column A and the email body into column B. Avoid selecting irrelevant metadata like thread ID. Focus on the actual content pills to ensure the spreadsheet receives the correct information. Select Test Step to push a sample of data through the entire chain and into your spreadsheet. Finally, flip the master toggle from Draft to Publish to activate the system. Once you publish the workflow, these separate tools become a single functioning engine. The system is now active and monitoring your inbox for new data. If you check your spreadsheet, you can see that the test row has populated correctly. This automation now operates continuously. It processes data as it arrives, day or night, without requiring your attention. You have successfully moved a repetitive administrative task to a digital system. Delegating this manual bottleneck allows you to spend your valuable time on higher-level work that requires human judgment and strategy.